Today, I'll show you the easiest way to transfer photos or videos from your Android phone to your Windows PC. This works even if you have thousands of photos. Let's get started. First, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. This is by far the fastest and most reliable way to move lots of photos at once. Now, on your PC, go down to the taskbar and search for the Photos app. You'll see it right at the top as the best match. This app comes pre-installed with Windows for free. Let's click on this. In the top right-hand corner, click on Import and you should see your Android phone. I'll click on mine, and then you should see all of your photos and videos appear. If your PC doesn't see any photos, your phone might be set to charge only. Let's briefly look at how we can fix that. On your phone, open up Settings, then tap into Connected Devices. With your phone plugged into your computer, you should see USB as another device. Let's tap on that. And right here at the bottom under Use USB for, make sure to select File Transfer. Once you do that, go back to the Photos app, and then in the top right-hand corner, click on Import and then select your device. And now you should see all of your photos and your videos. You can now select individual photos, or right up on top, you can even select all of your photos to import everything at once. I'll just select this one. Then in the top right-hand corner, click on Add Item. Here, you could choose where you'd like to place the photos on your computer. At the bottom, you can even create a new folder. I'll place it here and then click on Import. Right up on top, I now see a green check mark letting me know that this photo is on my computer. If you prefer more control, you could also use File Explorer. On your keyboard, press the Windows key together with E, and that opens up File Explorer. Down in the bottom left-hand corner, under this PC, you should see your Android device. Click on that. Then right up on top, click into the internal storage, DCIM. This is where Android keeps all of the photos and videos, and then click into the camera folder. And here you should see all of your photos and all of your videos. The nice thing about using File Explorer is right up here, you could sort all of your photos. Lots of different ways to sort. You could also group by, let's say, file type. And up on top, you could even change the view, let's say large icons, to visualize all of the photos and videos in different ways. Now, you could highlight or click on individual photos or videos, and then you can drag and drop them onto your computer. And there you go. 2 different ways to do the exact same thing. I'll see you in the next one.